Have you ever wanted to bring your favorite cartoon character to life without learning animation? With AI, you can turn a simple cartoon image into a realistic talking character in just a few minutes. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, educational animations, or entertaining stories, AI makes the entire process incredibly simple. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a talking cartoon video using Zoice, from uploading your cartoon image to generating a fully animated video with realistic lip sync. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to zoice.com. On the homepage, click the Sign In button in the top right corner to access your account. If you're new to Zoice, you can also create a free account from here. If you already have a Zoice account, enter your email address and password to sign in. You can also use Continue with Google for quicker access. Since I already have an account, I'll continue using Google. If you're using Zoice for the first time, click Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, and create a password, or simply register using your Google account. After creating your account, you'll have access to all of Zoice's AI video creation tools. Since I've already registered, I'll go back and sign in. After signing in, you'll arrive on the Zoice dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Avatar Characters. This is where all of your custom avatars are stored. You can create new avatars, manage existing ones, and reuse them in future projects whenever you need. Now let's create our talking cartoon avatar. Click Create New to begin creating your avatar. You'll have two options. You can upload your own cartoon image or generate a brand new cartoon using an AI prompt. For this tutorial, I'll upload a cartoon image that I've already prepared. Select the cartoon image you want to animate. For the best results, use a high-quality image where the character is facing forward and the face is clearly visible. This helps Zoice generate more accurate facial movements and natural lip sync. Next, enter a name for your avatar. Once everything is ready, click Generate Avatar. Zoice will process your image and create your custom talking cartoon avatar. After the avatar has finished generating, you'll see it in your avatar characters library. Click on the avatar to open it. From here, you can manage your avatar or start creating a video. We'll go ahead and create our talking cartoon video. Click Generate Video. This opens the video generation workspace where you'll create your talking cartoon. By default, Zoice selects the Generate from Script option. At this point, you have two options. You can either write a script and let Zoice generate the voice automatically, or you can upload an audio file that you want your cartoon character to speak. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Generate from Audio and upload the audio file that I already prepared. Once the audio is uploaded, we'll continue with the remaining settings before generating the final talking cartoon video. Next, let's configure the output settings. First, choose the aspect ratio based on where you plan to publish your video. Since I'm creating this for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, I'll select 9:16. If you're making a standard YouTube video, choose 16:9 instead. After that, select your preferred video resolution. Higher resolutions provide better video quality, while lower resolutions can generate a little faster. Now click Action Prompt. You can either write your own action prompt or choose one from the suggested prompts. These prompts help your cartoon perform more naturally by adding realistic facial expressions, head movements, and body gestures while speaking. Once you've selected an action prompt, click Add Action. Before continuing, take a moment to review everything you've configured. Check your script, selected voice, output settings, and action prompt to make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click Generate. After clicking Generate, Zoice will first create an audio preview using your script and the selected voice. This lets you hear exactly how your cartoon character will sound before generating the final video. Listen carefully to the pronunciation, pacing, and overall tone. If you'd like to make any changes, you can edit the script or select a different voice. Once you're happy with the audio preview, click Generate Avatar Video to start creating the final video. Zoice will now begin generating your talking cartoon video. Depending on the length of your script and the selected output settings, this process may take a few moments. You can monitor the generation progress directly on the screen while Zoice creates your final video. Once your video has finished generating, click Preview to watch the final result. Check the voice, lip sync, facial expressions, and animations to make sure everything looks natural and matches your script. If you're happy with the result, click Download to save the video to your device. And that's it. We've successfully transformed a simple cartoon image into a realistic talking cartoon using Zoice. As you can see, the character speaks naturally with synchronized lip movements, expressive facial animations, and smooth gestures, making it perfect for YouTube videos, social media content, educational projects, marketing videos, and storytelling. Let's watch the final result.
Hi, everyone. My name is Peter, and today I found a mysterious glowing map in the forest. It says there's a hidden treasure waiting for anyone brave enough to follow it. Are you ready to join me on this exciting adventure? Let's go.
That's how easy it is to create a talking cartoon video with Zoice. With just a cartoon image, a script, and an AI voice, you can create engaging animated videos in just a few minutes without any animation experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting us know what type of cartoon you'd like to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.